welcome back to another Minecraft video. It is me, Cool Cat here, and today I'm gonna be joined by Candy Queen again.
Yeah, and we're still doing the McDonald's thing.
She got back on.
Yep. Mom found out
Her Wi-Fi was down, so yeah.
And since ring is cheap,
Yeah.
I'll make a bed just right in the entrance because we have unlimited stuff.
Sure.
Thanks to flour milk. Okay, I'm sleeping.
Okay, come in.
Ooh, that's good.
We make the weirdest spots where beds are.
I know.
Did Anna join? I was like, it is taking too long. Okay, we're gonna put these beds in like bath only.
That's not comes.
We're gonna make we're gonna make kitchen next.
Yeah. Kitchen is back here. This is the kitchen. I need a bunch of chests.
Okay.
And we just fill them with food, that's it. Instead of your sweet shop, we should just put like the sweets there, like the cakes.
Yeah, that should be like the ice cream place. Look, 64 chests. I was going to be expanding, so don't be worried that she's not doing anything. She is actually doing something.
Wait. Me? Yeah, I'm doing something. I'm peeling orange. Like, you know when oranges or clementines? Like the white stuff. I hate it that they're always on there. The pith or whatever is what my dad said it was called. And I always pick it off. Like, I just sit there and pick it off.
Yeah, I don't really like oranges.
That's not the point.
I like lemons.
You like eating lemons?
Yeah.
You guys, she'll eat anything sour. It's just her. Like, she's the only one that'll ever do it.
They also make your teeth white. That's a good thing. So instead of getting...
What kind of ad is that?
What?
What kind of ad is that? Just someone screaming.
Instead of using baking soda...
If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't want to be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't want to be right. Lauren, so right here is where the door is for the kitchen.
This is so funny that we're making a McDonald's. Next, we're going to make a Dunkin' Donuts. That's coming up.
Yeah, I gave her the idea of Dunkin' Donuts.
Hmm?
I gave you the idea of Dunkin' Donuts.
Or we can do, like, a Dunkin' Donuts and Baskin. What is it called?
Robbins. Baskin Robbins. Yeah, Baskin Robbins. Lauren.
Yes?
Look. Where I'm jumping. Look, Lauren. Where I'm jumping is where we put the door. It won't let me break it, so.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, we do, like, those stuff.
Yeah, guys, it was originally going to be survival. One of us will make a server that makes it survival. But this apparently one isn't survival.
Well, yeah,
or this half of the world will be.
Yeah, my mom
her creative. And survival for us, but.
Yeah, survival. Yeah.
Can you let us be in creative mode?
Yeah, I don't know how to do it without my mom.
Yeah, can you ask your mom?
My brother.
Or your brother. Can you go get your brother right now? I know he can.
No.
Sorry.
I already asked. I'm like, Karen, I need your help. And he's like, can you come up, give me a piece of gum? I'm like, Karen, I'm going to crash. I bribed him. That's not what it's supposed to be.
Hey.
Yeah, he already didn't come, so I can't really get him. This is the staff only thing where we're gonna put beds.
It's a sibling thing, guys.
Yeah. If any of you guys have siblings out there, I know Anna does. Amber.
You know I do.
Yeah, I know everybody does. And Brooke does, so. Hi, Brooke.
You just said Brooke.
Yeah, I know, but hi, Brooke.
Yeah, I know she's gonna end up watching this somehow. She's gonna end up watching this. Hi, Brooke.
He walked one because I saw Anna and Brooke was like, hi. Yeah. Not surprising.
I know. Lauren, I'm not surprised that you do that either.
Hi. Did you see the comment on the guy that said you always yell at your friends?
What?
I think
What are you doing?
This is the staff room.
You are crazy. This McDonald's is bigger than my house.
It's not bigger than my house.
I just felt like healing myself. Okay. Now would be a good time to start filling the chests with food. Because I need food.
Okay. Great. Okay, can you go get the food out of the other thing?
I can't get the food because I'm not the one that can go in creative. Can you tell me I'm wrong, if I don't wanna be right? I know I'm singing it wrong. Can you tell me I'm wrong? I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right.
Can you do the rest because I am trying.
I can't. I can only build in certain areas.
Oh my gosh, I only have 2
See,
minutes
look, I
left.
can't build here, Lauren. Look, I can't build here. Where I'm stopping is as far as I can build. It won't let me build any farther. Further, sorry. Whatever, farther. Potato, patata. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. Whatever.
I'm gonna put potatoes in there for making. Oh, we're making French fries. You guys don't know.
Wait here.
Why would I want that?
Because I don't want it. It's filling up my inventory a lot. You'll have to fill in the wall part because I can't. It just won't let me.
Yes, and I'm gonna off my computer. Last thing, and then I'm gonna have to do.
Okay, can you give me a bunch of sign? Never mind. I'll be right back.
This is gonna be a short video because she's gonna edit
Actually, Lauren, I'm not gonna edit it. Lauren.
Yes.
Can I have a stack of signs?
Okay.
Because I keep ending up making signs and it gets annoying. And I need food.
16 is a stack of signs.
Whatever, that's fine.
I'm gonna ask my mom for 30 more minutes. I'm only gonna be on it for 20. Oh my gosh, it just turned off. I'm gonna say I was in the middle of a game. Mom, can I get 10 more minutes? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you on me.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys. This may take a while. Guys, I unpaused it just now. Lauren, you need to fill this wall.
Yeah, I know. I'm doing it right now.
I'll do. No, I'm not talking about this. This. Where I am. Jumping. And you also need to fill in a bunch, like, put food in.
Yeah, I know. There's no more food to put in there. That's the problem.
Apples, carrots.
McDonald's. What if they have yogurt and like other stuff?
Just put, like, all foods there.
Okay. We have to go to bed again.
Eventually, yeah.
Let's just walk let's just like work through the night.
Yeah, good idea. I'm just watching you.
Yep. Well, she eats her clementine, hopefully.
Yeah.
Or did you eat
There's
all?
one left.
And down it goes through your throat.
It's gonna go down there. And down.
Well, it's not down yet because it has to.
No, it's down. Oh, I can't look at that. Lauren, why did you do that?
What?
You did that.
Because I didn't like that house at all. You could have admitted that it was bad.
Yeah, it was bad, but still. Can you fill in this wall, Lauren?
What wall?
Right here. Thank you. Because I have to put signs of what food is there. It won't let me put the sign down that says steak. Lauren. Or the one that says pork.
Okay, I need to do stuff, so we're going to have to wait on that.
Okay. McDonald's is doing okay.
Yeah, it is. It's actually doing very... Oh, I just broke the chicken. Can you pick it up?
It doesn't let me through this gate. You have to break the gate. It doesn't let me through the gate. And I can't fly. My mom's watching Fixer Upper, I think. Good show.
What you know about? What you know about me?
It's doing okay. It's doing pretty well. Can I have a big painting? Oh, no, wait, no. You make like a big bulletin board. Then,
Oh. I can't do something right now. I have to finish these walls.
No, I'm doing the menu.
Yeah, do that.
No, that's wrong.
And this week we're on break, so whoop whoop.
I put chicken nuggets instead of chicken.
Yeah.
Can you name it? I'll name it chicken nuggets if you want.
Yeah, name it chicken nuggets. Because you have lots of this enchanted stuff. Oh, Spencer, when it's trapped, you should do a video on that.
What?
If you ever go to the market.
If I ever go to the what?
You know Trap the Marketplace?
Mm-hmm.
Do you ever go there?
I don't go there, but I know what you mean. Yeah, what about Trap?
But if you go there this year, you can make a video on it.
I shouldn't.
Because I'm gonna be selling stuff.
I don't care if I'm spelling this wrong. I really don't.
And when you want to come in here, you can just like buy stuff from like someone who will be here to greet ya.
Chicken nuggets. Although they're not actually.
Instead of me giving you guys food, we should like go to McDonald's.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Like saying, "Hey, Lauren, can we have some food?"
And then it's gonna be all the one and only McDonald's. This is a big McDonald's.
I know.
Whatever, it's good. Oh gosh, I just fell.
There we go. I just finished naming all of them. That took like I had like 27 or something like that. Like 27 XP levels, and now I have 17. Wow.
I'll give you more bottles.
It's fine, not for now.
It's done! The whole thing's done. We just need to do other stuff with the stuff in McDonald's. Oh my gosh.
Potatoes. Potatoes. When you read the sign, guys, say out loud, say potatoes, stick, poke, chicken nuggets. Say it like that. It's going to be funny.
Nuggets.
No. Okay, we need more food. So this is pork. I mean steak, and this is pork. What about carrots? Apples. Carrots and apples I'm putting up on the list.
Okay, we first need to people can't see the staff only room, so we covered up this thing.
Apples. Apples. Kick. Wait. There needs to be a door. Oh, but it won't let me in. So, Lauren, you'll need to make a door that's in here. Like in here. A door right here. You see me? See me? Hi? See me? Right here. In the through the kitchen.
Okay.
Sorry, that has to be my entrance because it won't let me use the door from over there. Okay, thank you. This needs a door too. Oh, wait, no. Wait, don't. It won't let me in.
Wait, let me see. Try it.
Ow.
Sorry,
Yeah, it doesn't let me. You have to put You have to put a chest in here for carrots and apples. And can you name? Like put the signs above? Like this. It's chicken nuggets. Can you make the steak? And then this pork. And that's like carrots or apples.
Oh, they sell apple pie?
What about just pumpkin pie?
No, can we pretend it's apple because at McDonald's they actually sell
Okay, but then you have to actually do it. Because I'm not going back. Golden apples? I don't have any golden apples. Or apple pie. Or apples. Lauren, you need to finish, you need to put everything in the chests, and you need to name these.
Welcome to
Where's apples?
No, Advil.
Anvil? Oh, it's in the stable.
Oh. I see it now.
Here, I'll bring it over.
No.
It's a slightly damaged anvil. Oh, Philly. There it's set.
There's a spider, be quiet. Don't worry.
Oh, I got 2. I wanted 3 for a bow.
I'm just naming them.
Sorry.
Are you naming stuff too?
named all of my tools XX Cool Cat, stuff like that. XX Cool Cat, or just Cool Cat, XX Cool Cat. I don't like being called XX Cool Cat. I just like being called Cool Cat. But oh, I love the show Flipper Flop. Wow, that's a lot of apple pies. And apples and carrots and oh wait, oh no, golden apples. Sorry, I'm so sorry. And carrots and stuff like that. So apple pie, golden apple.
And we have to do stew. And fish.
No, stew's fine. Just stew or fish. Stew. No fish. Or how about no carrots? Wait, no apples.
Carrots.
No apples, because we have golden apples. No apples. Make it fish.
The apples fish? No, we have enough for fish, right?
Just fish. No, instead of apples, fish.
I can't go in the, some of them right now. I'm having bad lag right now. I just got lagged out.
You're still here.
No, I'm not.
Now you're not.
Okay.
Lauren, can you change apples to
You have to end the video.
instead of apples? It's gonna be fish.
Censor it. You have to end the video because I have to leave.
Okay, you guys, it's actually gonna have to end here, and you're gonna see the rest next time. Yes, you guys, tomorrow. You guys are probably gonna be like, oh, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye bye.